Okay, so everyone knows there's like a big scarf trend going on. So I'm gonna show you 3 really easy ways to use a scarf, incorporate it in if you wanna wear your hair down or back or halfway up. But they're really easy, simple ways, but it spruces up your outfit so much and it can make or break your day. So here we go. We're here with Lauren, and we're first gonna put her hair in a low bun. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the hair back and leave some of our cute, these pieces that we just freshly cut. They're so cute. And I'm going to just do her hair in a low bun. Oh my. And then I'm going to twist it around. And I'm going to tuck that extra piece under there. And then I'm going to take this scarf and I'm going to wrap it around here and tighten it. Or you can just like tighten a bow if you can't tighten. And then I'm going to wrap it into a bow. Actually, it's so cute. So there you have the first hairstyle, just a messy low bun with a scarf. So now we're going to show you the second way to use a scarf. So first we're going to do her hair in a top knot, and I'm just going to take all of this hair up like so and leave her cute little pieces that we just cut down. And I'm just going to just take out a few little fluff pieces. And I'm just going to pull all her hair up to the top, and then I'm going to wrap it around once and wrap it around twice, and then I'm going to wrap this around and I'm going to tuck it under. And then I'm going to take this scarf and I'm going to wrap it around like so and just tie it in a little cute bow. And then I'm going to just tuck that under and just fluff out this bow a little bit. And then just fluff her bun out. I'm just gonna take a few bobby pins and just kind of help her bun a little bit. Sorry. And a few more pieces back here. Just so she doesn't have so much out. And just tuck in that scarf a little bit. And then just kind of look how it looks. And there you have the second look with a scarf. A little top knot with a little scarf tied around. Now for the third look. This one's really easy and so cute. All you do is, again, section it in half. Just fold this over. And then you're gonna wind this up And then you're going to twist it just so it stays a little twisted. And then you're going to, we're gonna just put it on halfway. And we're just gonna tie it underneath. In a knot. And then we're gonna kind of move it around. Okay, so there you have your third hairstyle with a scarf. Different ways to use scarves. One, we did a low bun, high bun, and just a really simple, easy way to spruce up your outfit. So I hope you guys liked it. Comment down below and give us 2 thumbs up.